some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word.
Yo guys, finna do a little bit quick review of what we've been doing for Q1. So I already did this like a few days ago, but I feel like I need to go over it again. Working for the whole night basically, so I'm just gonna be vlogging it so I have more content for IG and just get to work. The goal was to build a ghost list revival, which we did, and the goal was not even to sell that thing, but obviously we ended up selling it to a client and he's currently running in someone's business. So that's the achievement for this Q1. So that's what I need to go through everything, what went well with that, and then how we're gonna optimize to see where we're gonna need to double down on and so on, so we can start the second product for Q2, and then the contents that we're gonna do. So by the way, there is gonna be few content join. Either I'm gonna join them with this or just post separate content, but there's gonna be a lot of content for sure. Julie is gonna join me later. Deep night work here. Actually, let me just what went well. What we been doing here. Go to Canva. So this is basically the whole year plan. So just to review the performance on the data scale. So we're gonna review the performances, we're gonna review the outcome and the data that we need to optimize, and then how we're gonna scale the system. The performance, what else? Actually, that's what I'm saying, bro. If we don't go through this, we're not gonna feel good about everything.
Today is a vlogging night.
You see, we just come up with clear day ahead, you know.
Yeah. This makes sense, bro. Just tell the audio, bro.
Well, guys, basically, we have the result that we gave ourselves for Q1. We rank ourselves that we did good at 5%, bad 20%, and then here, this is the scale the system. So the ghost list revival, how we gonna scale the system. So far we only launched it in one service, but now we're scaling it. So who is scaling it to? This is the niche. So real estate, mortgage brokers, and medical, private medical. So the targets for this year, we're gonna target the directors, the CEOs, and the founders or the owner of the companies. We're gonna target London, Manchester, and America, basically. So how we gonna target these people? So we're gonna use the UK one. We're gonna do manual recording ourselves, and some of the teams we're gonna train them how to pitch the offer, and then we're gonna do email outreaching. So we're gonna look for verified email addresses for these people, and then we're gonna outreach, or we're gonna do connection with them through LinkedIn by texting. The US one, we're gonna build a voice agent for 9 to AI that can call these people for us and sell the system for us. And then obviously we're gonna do it through email as well, and then again LinkedIn outreaching. So we have the offers done for you. That's it. That's the landing page idea now. Everything else is power, no.